How to make money as a nonfiction writer. Have you ever wondered how to turn your expertise into profit? As a nonfiction writer, your insights are valuable, and today, we'll dive into profitable strategies to monetize your craft. Whether you're seasoned or starting out, this guide will help you turn words into wealth. Nonfiction writing thrives on credibility. Identify your niche, whether it's personal development, technology, or business insights, and research deeply. Developing a unique perspective within your field sets you apart and attracts readers eager to learn from your knowledge and experiences. Build your authority by consistently posting valuable content. Launch a blog or Medium page to showcase your work. Offering free insights upfront creates trust, grows your audience, and establishes your reputation as a go-to expert in your realm. Books and ebooks are timeless income generators. Self-publishing platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, offer an accessible way to reach a global audience. Craft content that solves problems or inspires action, and package it into engaging, well-edited works that sell themselves. Beyond books, consider publishing specialized guides or reports on platforms like Gumroad. These microproducts cater to niche audiences, offering quick and relevant insights while generating passive income. Freelancing provides a steady income stream for nonfiction writers. Pitch your expertise to blogs, magazines, or companies in your niche. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are gateways to paid writing gigs where you can develop your portfolio while earning. Tailor your proposals to highlight how your experience meets clients' needs. The more personalized and professional your pitches, the greater success you'll have in landing high-paying projects. Don't stop at writing. Leverage your knowledge by creating online courses, hosting workshops, or offering consulting services. Content creators can repackage their writing into video lessons or webinars, capturing audiences in new formats while generating additional income streams. Remember, building multiple income streams shields you from market fluctuations and keeps your revenue stable as you grow your brand. Turn your passion for nonfiction writing into a rewarding career. Choose one step, whether it's starting a blog, writing an ebook, or exploring freelance work, and take action today. Click the links in description to take a 1-minute survey and fast track your progress to paying clients and making more money.